What is going on, guys? Bubba here for a new video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all a few things that you might not know about your Mustang. Now, I know I have covered these in some of my previous videos, but I have like 155 videos, and some people are newer subscribers. Most of my growth actually has been within the last like 6 months. So I am gonna show y'all a few things that you might not have known about your Mustang. Now, as far as the first thing you might not know about your Mustang, your car actually has a sport mode, and it's not like in some of the newer cars, like they have like the S up here. It's actually how you activate it is you have to hold your brake in, and you have to double tap the traction control button right here. So let's see, I'm holding my brake in now. I just double tapped it just now, and it said advanced track sport mode on. Now the sport mode, that's going to limit the stability control and the traction control, but still give you a little bit of assist. If you want to turn the system off completely, all you have to do is put your brake on the pedal, or put your foot on the pedal, the brake pedal, and then hold the advanced track button for 5 seconds. And it says that the advanced track is off. That means that you have no stability control and no traction control. Now, as far as the next thing you might not know about your car, this little middle console right here, this right here actually locks. And how you lock it, I don't know how. I drove this car for 2 years and I didn't know, but you stick your key right in there, you turn it, and it's locked. This right here would be perfect for like car shows or anything. If you want to lock some valuables, this thing's perfect. Now, the last thing in this video is this little air tube right here. Ford, they put this air tube in right here just to make your car sound a little bit more aggressive from the inside of your car. You can take it out if you want, and if you want to take it out, all you have to do is push this little clamp in right here, get a little adapter to fill in this little plug right here, and just take the entire hose out. And as far as why Ford even put the sound tube in there, I'm assuming it's to kind of improve the driver experience, because if you can hear your car better, it feels almost like your car is going quicker. I'm not too sure Ford's reasoning, but a lot of people like taking that out because you can definitely hear the sound. It's almost like a whistle, like a background whistle whenever you're accelerating. And me personally, I mean, I don't mind it too much, but one day, I mean, I am going to take it out. I just have to buy the adapter so I can plug that hole. And sorry for that cut right there. I'm actually now at work, as you can see. I'm actually the manager here at a local GNC, but now that I'm at work, I'm going to go ahead and start my daily work that I need to do today. But this was just a quick video just to show y'all 3 things that you might not have known about your Mustang. I mean, like I've said, I have made over 150 videos, and there's still people commenting on some of my original videos I made saying how they didn't know that, you know, that your car has like a advanced track sport mode, or that they didn't even know that you could lock your middle console. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.